welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for deciding to click on today's video. It is going to be a PR unboxing and haul. I do these every single Friday here on my channel where I save up all my packages from the week and then we open them together so we can chat about some of the new makeup releases. If you guys are ready to see what I got in my packages this week, go ahead and keep on. Came over from Colourpop, and I cannot tell you guys how exciting it is to get packages from Colourpop because I've been using their products, you guys, for so long, and I've been such a fan of their brand. So it says your summertime fine on the inside here. We have a bunch of that puff stuff, so I'm not exactly sure what all we have inside of here. Okay, so it says best in brows. And then it says brow kit. So let's go ahead and open this up if we can get it open. All right, I've actually never tried any of Colourpop's brow items, so this is super exciting. So we have here a bunch of brow items on the inside. So it looks like we have a dope taupe. This is like a gel pot brow product. And then we also have their Brow Boss gel. And then we have the Precision Brow Pencil. I'm so excited to try this one out. And then we also have the Brow Boss Pencil as well. So 2 different brow pencils. I will definitely be trying these out because I have yet to, like I said, try out their brow products. And I believe that they are launching new shades. So it says, PSA, say no to bad brows. Our brow got a makeover, now available in 9 shades with a new waterproof formula. The days of bad brows are long gone. So this is the Best in Brows kit, and this costs $20. So individually, both of the brow pencils are $5, and then both of these items are $6. You are saving a little bit in the brow kit. So I'm super excited to try this out. Thank you to Colourpop. I cannot wait to try out your brow products. So this next package came over from Michael Todd Beauty, and I'm super excited to try this one out. So this is their Sonic Clear Petite, and it's going to be like a cleanser for your face. Oh, I'm so excited to try this one. So I know that you can like change the brush heads on these as well, and they're just supposed to help clean your face at the end of the night. You can use them to cleanse your face. They're just supposed to be really good. So I'm excited to try this out. It says cleanse away dead skin cells, makeup dirt and oil 7 times better than your hands alone. So I'm looking forward to trying this guy out right here. I know you can purchase their products at Ulta if you guys are interested. So the next package I want to show you guys came over from Becca Cosmetics. This is their Volcano Goddess collection, and I got too excited when I got this in the mail, and I actually already filmed a tutorial using it and like a little mini review. I put that up yesterday, so if you guys want to check that out, I'll link it up in the cards for you. But they sent over their brand new Volcano Goddess eyeshadow palette, as well as some of their glow glosses. And then we also have on this side, there was a highlight. I actually broke mine. It's sitting right in front of me. I accidentally tipped this package and it like fell out, so that was a bummer, but here's what the PR package looks like. Super cute. And then let me show you guys the eyeshadow palette. Here's what the palette looks like. It's the Volcano Goddess eyeshadow palette. Isn't this a pretty one? Love these shades in here. Super pretty for fall. I'll go ahead and swatch a couple of the Molten shades in here because you guys, look at how pigmented those are. So crazy pigmented. Those are the 2 that I used on my eye yesterday. So if you guys want to see a tutorial using this and then also using the glow glosses, I swatched the highlight and everything, you can check that out on my channel. But thank you so much to Becca for sending this to me. I'm not going to do too crazy of swatches on everything because if you are interested, you can just head over to that video. But this was a super exciting package to get. Moving right along, this next one says, wake up with me before 9:20, and this is from Doll10, and I already peeked inside this one yesterday because it did say to open like before 9:20, so I wanted to see what was inside. So inside, they always send the cutest packages, you guys. They're seriously adorable. So here is what the inside of the package looks like. Super cute. So it has one of those little eye patches that says makeupmolly on it, which is cute. And then they also have this super cute tall mug. has like this little girl sitting there and it has the doll10 on there. Isn't that cute? All right, so the reason they sent over this package is they are releasing their brand new Hydro Luxe Smoothing Concealer. So they sent over 2 different shades. They sent me the shade medium and then also the shade light medium. And here is what the packaging looks like. It is a very large component, so it looks like you get a lot of products in here. And then I'll go ahead and show you guys the applicator. It does look a little bit different. It's like a short little stubby applicator. So I'm super curious to try this out. I will swatch it for you guys. It looks like it's gonna be a really nice formula, like kind of thickening, but not too thickening. Let me show you guys when I blend it out what it looks like. It just looks like it's gonna sit really nice on the skin. So there is it blended out. So what's really cool about this is it actually says that it's going to be like a 3-in-1. So it says the Hydro Luxe Concealer is a 3-in-1 mega multitasker that replaces your eye cream and then also your color corrector, and it's a concealer in all one product. So it says that it is going to brighten, it's going to offer buildable coverage and visibly smooth the appearance of fine lines and texture under the eyes. And it says thanks to the Smooth Assist Complex, all of your amazing properties of the foundation are now in concealer. So that's really exciting. It says here that 97% saw the texture under their eyes looking better, 90% said the texture and tone looked better, and a bunch of other things in here. So that's really exciting, something that is going to help over time, help with wrinkles and all of that. I am definitely interested in that. So thank you so much to the team at Doll10, and I will have this linked down below for you guys. This next box here came over from Pathology. So inside of here it says Pathology X Kimchi. This is a cute little card here. So this is the Kimchi lookbook. I hope I'm saying her name right. So this is 4 fiercely hydrating facial sheet masks. Ooh, cool. So it's like a little kit here. And all of the sheet masks, look at the back of this. How fun is that? Let me open this up so we can see what they all look like. Wow, this is so cool. So look at the inside of this. Isn't that fun? So all of the different sheet masks have like a different story to them. That is so, so cool. And then also inside of here we have, looks like some pins in here. Let me open this up. These are so fun. So they have like 4 different pins to correlate with each one of the masks. This is such a cool collaboration. And then also in here, it looks like we have like a little rock lollipop. And I think that is everything. That is such a cool collaboration, and I'm really excited to try out those masks. They look like so, so much fun. So thank you, Pathology, for sending these to me. I will definitely be trying these out tonight. All right, and this next box here, this is from Skinfix. So someone had asked me on Instagram what my favorite cleanser was, and I had told them the foaming oil cleanser from Skinfix is my absolute favorite cleanser ever of all time. So they saw that I had said that and they asked if they could send me a restock. So they did. So here is what that looks like. This is just my absolute favorite cleanser. It is so gentle on the skin, and it also does a really, really good job of removing like all your makeup. I don't have to double cleanse when I use this, which is awesome. I can just use a small amount in my hands with some water and put it on my face, and it just feels so good on the skin. It feels nice and smooth. The texture of this is amazing, and this is just like a giant bottle of it. I'm so excited for this. I already have a restock like after the one I'm using now, but I'm really excited to have another backup of a backup because I can never be without this because it is my absolute favorite. And then they also asked me, since they were sending me a restock on that, they asked if I wanted to try any other products from them. So I actually picked out the facial exfoliating pads. So these are for radiant and smooth and healthy skin. So I've been trying to be better about doing like a toner, or just trying to be better about doing that like after I do my cleansing. So I've been using some from First Aid Beauty, but I'm almost out of those. So I'll be definitely giving these a try. And then also I've tried a sample of this, but I never had the full size. So this is the Inked Tattoo Balm. You guys, when I've tried a sample of this, like I've tried quite a few, I've gotten like a couple little samples of it. It does wonders for making your tattoo vivid. Like, I don't know if you guys have any tattoos or if you guys are into tattoos, but I do have quite a few. If you guys don't know that, I have tattoos on both the tops of my feet, and then I also have one on my side right here. So I actually put this on the ones on my feet, and I could not believe how vivid it made my tattoo. Like, it looked like it was brand new, like I just got it, and I've had it probably for, I would say, about 5 years now, 5 or 6 years. And you know, it just kind of starts to fade over time, and this just brings it back to life. So if you have like one that is noticeable or on your wrist or something like that, and you want to just make it more vivid, this is such a good product. So I'm really excited to have the full size of this so I can use it out more. So thank you to Skinfix. That was a super generous package, and I really appreciate you guys gifting me those products. All right, moving right along, this next one came over from a PR company. Ooh, actually, okay, so this is from BIORE. Oh my God. So it says skincare witch hazel products. Oh, how cute. Look at this, is like a little, I can't think of the word, like a witching pot. You know, use those on like Halloween. I'm totally gonna put this for decoration in my house. So it says, break the spell of problem pores with the new BIORE Witch Hazel collection. Ooh, this is exciting. So we have in here a Witch Hazel Ultra Deep Cleansing Pore Strips. I absolutely love the BIORE pore strips. I use them all the time. My husband uses them. We love them. So I'm excited to try this Witch Hazel version. That sounds awesome. And then also inside of here, we have the Witch Hazel Pore Clarifying Toner. So like I was just saying, I wanted to start using more toners. So I'm definitely going to put this one into my routine. So this is what it looks like. So it says that it is a hyaluronic acid acne treatment. It's lightweight and oil-free. BIORE has some incredible skincare products. I absolutely love it. They're my sellers. They are so, so good. And then also in here, we have this little notebook. This is cute. So it has like little witch hats and brooms and cats on there. And it's just like a little notepad that I can use. This was such a fun package. Thank you, BIORE. That was so cute. And I'm going to put this out. And it actually reminds me that I need to put out my Halloween decorations because I haven't done that yet. So I'm going to put this out in my house because it's so cute. All right, so we just have one more package here. I'm not sure who this one is from. Oh, okay. So this is from SLMD. Got sticky all over me. All right, so it says, we are pumped to share with you our hyaluronic acid serum. Just think of it as an everyday staple to hydrate and plump your skin, or a quick fix when your complexion feels parched. All right, so we have in here the brand new serum. So this is the hyaluronic acid serum, and I have another product from them that I've really been enjoying, and let me go ahead and show you guys what this one looks like. So here's what the serum looks like. It does have a dropper, which I always love for my serums because I just feel like it's less messy. You can just kind of drop it on your face and then rub it in. So it says, this instantly hydrating treatment formulated with hyaluronic acid, which will deliver instant moisture to the skin and help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. You guys know I struggle with my forehead wrinkles, and anything that is going to help with that, I definitely am excited to try. And then it also looks like we have another little goodie in here. Let's see what this is. So we have this nice little water bottle that we can use. And then the last thing in here, this was connected to this, and it said drink up. This is so cute. So this is just like one of those aluminum straws. This is awesome. It'll go great with the water bottle, and I cannot wait to try this serum. I'm super, super excited. So thank you so much to the team at SLMD. That was a super generous package. And of course, anything that's going to help with wrinkles, I am all about. But after that, that is going to do it for all of the products we received this week in PR. I hope you guys did enjoy watching this PR unboxing and haul. Let me know down below what products you guys are most excited to see in like a first impressions, or you guys want a review on. I would love to do it in my future videos, so let me know. Also, do not forget to like and also subscribe to my channel before you guys go, and I will see you guys in Monday's video. Bye, friends.